Mommy, come on, play with me, baseball. No. Mommy, play baseball with me outside today. Mommy, I'm eating chocolate. I'm eating chocolate, Mommy. You can cook me. Mommy, I'm eating chocolate on your bed. Mommy, wake up and play baseball outside. Mommy. Mommy, play baseball outside with me, Mommy. Don't make me put the boogers on you. Don't make me put boogers on you. Mommy, please. Mommy, stop hiding from me. Stop. Mommy, stop hiding from me. Mommy. Mommy, don't let me touch your medicines. Mommy, don't let me touch your medicines. Mommy, why'd you take off? Mommy? Mommy? Mommy, don't stop. Don't hide from me. Mommy, don't hide from me. No more. No more hiding from me. Mommy! Mommy, please don't hide from me. Mommy, please. Mommy, I'm going to hurt myself. I'm going to hurt myself. Mommy, I'm going to hurt myself. Mommy, I'm going to hurt myself.
Arnie! Hey, what the hell?
I'm going to...
Wait.
Mommy!
Hey, calm down.
Mommy!
What are you doing? Hey, here.
I'm gonna hurt. Mommy, help me.
Jesus Christ, Arnie, what are you...
Mommy's hiding from me.
What?
Mommy's
She's
hiding
sleeping.
from me.
She's sleeping. You know that.
No,
What's the matter?
she's not sleeping. She's...
Don't do that again, okay?
She's trying to get Mommy to notice. Mommy. Please tell her to
She's
stop.
sleeping. She's sleeping.
No.
Calm down. Hey, Arnie. Hold on. I'll check it.
She's not sleeping. She's not sleeping today. She doesn't want to play baseball with me. She don't want to play baseball with me.
Oh.
Emma! What?
Emma!
Mommy.
Okay, hold on. Wait, let me just think. Okay, let's not some ice cream now. Okay, we gotta find Emma and Ezra, right? We gotta find her right now. Ice cream, okay? Let's go. You good? Okay?
Mommy comes
I know.
ice
We
cream.
have to
Mommy
go.
comes ice
Hey,
cream.
Arnie.
Mommy comes ice
Arnie! We have to go! We gotta go. Hey.
Mommy, I'm playing with your books. Mommy, I'm playing with your books.
Hey, stop. Hold
Mommy took up all of her pillows. Mommy took all of her pillows. Mommy took all of her pillows. She must be sick.
You gotta go. Hey.
No.
Okay. You gotta go. Hey. It's just Gilbert and Arnie now, okay? It's just us.
God.
You know how Daddy took a trip?
Mm-hmm.
She's going to that trip. She just needs to rest right now, okay? Just let her rest. You just gotta go. Okay?
But is you going to play ball with me later?
Yeah, you will. Hey. What?
Mommy, stop waking up!
It's okay.
Mommy, stop waking up!
Arnie, Jesus Christ! Listen to me! I hate doing this to you, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Where's your ice cream, okay? It's okay, bro.
Ice cream.
It's okay.
I want ice cream.
Okay. We'll grab our sisters, alright?
What is the flavor of ice cream?
Strawberry. We'll get 2 scoops tonight.
3 scoops.
Okay.
3 scoops. Don't leave mommy door open. Doesn't like when leave the door open. Mommy's gonna get me ice cream. Mommy's getting me ice cream. Mommy's getting me ice cream. Sing.
Yeah.